gonna show you how to make the world's best non-alcoholic pina colada served in a pineapple. All right, first up, we're gonna grab a large fresh pineapple. We're gonna place it on its side, and it is now time to cut off the top to make our little bowl just like that. Now I'm gonna grab a small ice cream scoop, and we need to start scooping this out. We wanna be very gentle, making sure to get out all that inner flesh to make ourselves a cup in the center without cutting all the way through. We do not want to break it. We want to be able to hold our drink. And of course, while you scoop it out, make sure to take your little pieces, place them in a bowl, because we're gonna blend that into our pina colada. Yes, that is right. We are using every single part of the pineapple, the inside and the outside, for this drink. Make sure you get deep in there, scraping out all that flesh so we can fit as much drink as possible in here and feel like we are on vacation. Our pineapple is now hollowed out. It is ready to be drank from, so now it's time to make our drink. We're gonna grab a blender, add in your pineapple, and time to add in the rest of the ingredients. Pour in your coconut milk, then a whole bunch of coconut cream for more coconut flavor and sweetness, followed by a little bit of honey for even more sweetness. Ooh, look at that. Grab a lime, and you're just going to cut it in half and squeeze in all the lime juice. Lime into the squeezer and squeeze your lime juice into there. This will cut the sweetness and give it a nice zing and freshness. And get in the juice from the other side as well. And finally, it is now time to grab a whole bunch of ice. We're gonna pour it right into there, and it's blending time. And blend it up until nice and smooth. All right, I'm gonna grab my cup, and now it is time to pour our pina colada into our pineapple cup. I literally feel like I'm on a beach right now. This is incredible. This fully reminds me of a few summers ago when I was in Puerto Rico and I drank one of these on the beach. It is so heavenly and delicious. Grab a straw. I'm gonna use bamboo to save the turtles. And now it is time to enjoy. Imagine you're on a beach. Take this in. Look at that. It is the ultimate pina colada served in a pineapple. Literally transports you to a beach. Let's give it a try. There's simply no better drink. There's no better drink for the summer than a pina colada. This non-alcoholic pina colada will transport you to a beach, to an island. It is the perfect thing for the summer to cool you down, to beat the heat. There's just something special about a pina colada that just takes me to a beach. It is great for all people, whether you are over 21, under 21. This non-alcoholic one is super delicious. And of course, if you're an adult, you can feel free to add some rum in, which is the classic alcohol that is in pina colada, if you want to make it a alcoholic beverage. Well, hope you did watching this video. The full recipe for pina colada is on eitan.com. It'll be linked down below. Hope you did watching. If you don't know, hit the like button, comment down below, and follow for more videos. I want to hear in the comments, what is your favorite summertime drink? Let me know. If you need me, I'll be drinking my drink. It's so good. Okay, actually, fun fact I forgot to say. I'm actually slightly allergic to pineapples, but I love pina coladas. So I don't usually have pineapples except for pina coladas. I do get the itchy feeling in my throat, but I have them nonetheless. I don't recommend doing that if you're also allergic, but it's just a little fun fact. It's my favorite drink, and I'm kind of allergic to it. It's just so delicious. So it's worth the slight uncomfortness, I don't know if that's a word. If not, I just invented it, because it's so delicious. Okay, I just had to get that out there. Just wanted to let you guys know.